everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place. Oh, I forgot to put my stuff down here. Bonnie's Creative Place.stampinup.net. And I'm going to be making my Friday card, but I wanted to talk with you guys just a tad bit. First of all, if you want to purchase from me, the hostess code is right here. It's H7CJNJSB, and it's good till the end of the month, August 31st. Second of all, I want to let you know that if you order from me at all in the month of August, you will get this project bundle for free. These are the tutorials that the Cradiology team has done, and for anybody that purchased anything from us in the month of August can get this tutorial for free. Once you place your order, I will send the tutorial to you. So just to keep you knowing on that. The next thing I want to share with you, I have a sticky thing here, is you have till August if you want to join my online class. And what the online class entails this month is from the 1st to the 10th, you will need to order the Boho Indigo Melody, and using this hostess code RZHEUFG9, and you will create the cards that I come up with for the class. I'll send you whatever I use that's not in the kit, I will send to you in the mail, and then you'll also get a tutorial and written instructions and supplies and stuff that I used. And if you want to add onto your order the Garden Green or the Misty Moonlight or Night of Navy or Crumb Cake ink, that would be good, because those will be the inks that I will be using. So, okay, so let's get on to the card. And since we are doing the Boho Melody bundle, I figured I would make a boho card today. So in the kit, you get all of this, plus you get all of this, minus one thing of ribbon in there. But you get these two ribbons. I've been playing because I've been working on the cards. This ribbon you do not get. That I should take that out of here. And you get these little flowers, which are so cool. There's small and big ones, and they're like a felt. And there's so many fun things you can do with these. You can color them with your blends if you want them different colors. So this is pretty cool. Then you get all this. I mean, mine is a mess because I've been playing, like I said, but there's embossed paper that's already embossed for you. You get tons and tons of designer series paper. And then if you get, let's see, on the back side here, you get some tags and some gold flowers. You get a sheet of leaves. You get two sheets. You get two sheets of all of these. See, and there's that one. And then you get this one. And you get two sheets of all of this. So, I mean, there's so much. You could make so many cards with this. And like I said, I read off the colors. And I think if you bought either a Night of Navy or, what is it? And Very Vanilla, you could make tons and tons of cards. So even, you know, if you just bought those 2 extra cardstocks, you can make a lot of cards. So I'm going to make a card today. And I happen to have some scrap pieces in here from creating my cards for my online workshop. So I think we're just going to go ahead and use what I got here. And let's see. I want a piece of designer series paper, so I really like this one. It may look weird, but there's like gold speckles. I don't even know. It's like Glimmer Mix, like the Winka Stella already in the cardstock. So it's so cool. So I think I'm going to use that. I'm going to obviously use this. I don't know. I may use that. I don't know if I'm going to use the stamps, but I was thinking of using these. I don't know. We'll just put it over here. and we'll see what we're going to do. All right. Okay. So let's see. First, we got to make sure that this piece of white is 5.5, 8.5 by 5.5. So we're going to bring this over, measure it up, and it's not. So we're going to make it 8.5 by 5.5, and we're going to score it at 4.25. Yes, I score with my Stampin' Up! And cut with my trimmer upside down because I'm left-handed. I know a lot of people, sometimes they comment on that, but I'm left-handed. So, okay, so we got that. And then I think I'm going to cut this next. And I'm going to have this at 4. So a little scrap left by 5.25. I think that's a good size. Put that down there. I wonder, I got this piece and it's 6 inches. So if I made these all 2 inch, it's embossed piece. If I made these all 2 inches, that would give me 3. So maybe we can use this piece for what I'm thinking. And these are 2 by 2. Okay, and then I'll have to get a greeting out in a little bit. I don't think I want any other background. Okay, alrighty, we're going to put this over here. I don't know, I may use that bow I made and changed my mind. So what I was thinking is if this will work, I don't know, these might be too big. Might have to cut them down. I wanted 3 of these across here. Yeah, they're definitely too big. So I'm going to have to make them. I like the length of them. So what are we going to do? Let's go 1.5 maybe. I don't know. Let's see. I think 1.5 might do it. Yep. 1.5 by 2 is what I'm cutting these down. So if you want them 1.5 by 2, this will work. Perfect. Okay, great. So now we have them 1.5 by 2. And then I'm going to get out all these little leaves. And I'm going to use the Big Shot. I cannot wait for the new Stampin' Up! Die cutting machine to come. I'm going to bring in this piece of scrap. Well, it's scrap now if it wasn't before. I'm going to cut all these out in blue. Yeah. And being a demonstrator, I was able to order it this month. If you guys would like to become a demonstrator and join my team, then you can do that, and then you can order it also in the starter kit as part of your starter kit. So that is like really wonderful. Mine won't be here for a few more days, so when it does, I'll go live with it for you all. I know maybe you've seen some out there because people have been going live, but I can't wait. I'm so excited. And I'm going to put these on here. I may trim the leaves a little bit. I don't know. I may switch them up here. This is so loved, this mat, that I'm just like holding out for all hope on it. So I think that's really cute. I like it. So now, let's see. I'm wondering if we should put, I don't know. I don't really think we need that along there. What's on the other side of one of these? No, that's too crazy. Maybe some flowers. I don't know. I really just like this. Oh, here's some undirectional flowers. Now that's kind of cute. Kind of give it a little extra pop. of white or vanilla. I kind of like that. And then we'll put our greeting down here at the bottom. Yeah, maybe we'll use that. Let's put these on, or maybe we'll just move these down and just add a greeting. Keep it simple. Okay, so we're going to attach these to this, and I am going to trim off the extra, get the glue, the extra stem that is hanging off it. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little liquid glue, just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put this in here. We're going to get my stamp and seal. So we're going to get the stamp and seal. We're going to run this right across here like this. And we're going to put it right down. Okay. And then these I'm going to pop up. Okay. And now, that's so stunning, just like that. I mean, the blues and the everything with it. And since I'm already got these lovely labels already made for us, I'm going to put this one right here. I think that's perfect. I may even pop that up. And we're going to pick out, I think, well, such happy news. Or I could put sorry you're blue. But I don't know if sorry you're blue will fit in there. Let me try that. This is a nice card if you know someone's down or not feeling well, just because they're, you know. My cart with all my stuff in it is 100 miles away. It might fit in there. Let me see. I don't think it'll fit in, but I think it would fit if I did it on the opposite side. So you know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to use the back side of this. And the ink I'm going to use is Night of Navy. Let's stamp this in. And if I'm off camera, I'm sorry, I got to get this a little closer to me so I can make sure that it's going to work. Nah, not bad, not bad. And then we'll put that there. And I think I'm going to add a flower to it. And these are white, but I'm going to get the bigger ones, because I haven't used a big one yet. And I think I'll put one right here. And you could just do that with it, or we could dye it. We could blend it. So I think I might, let's see. Let's do the sea foam. It's a lighter blue. And what you want to do is either have a scrap or have a silicone mat. And then just get your blend. Kind of hold it because it's a little thing. And you could feel the felt when you're doing this. So it's not really blending it, it's just adding color to it. And I thought this was going to be a little lighter. I mean, it's light, but I really thought it might be lighter. Maybe I should have used the light color, but I like this. This is pretty. We're still gonna, and I don't have to have it all colored. I can leave a little bit of white streaking through it, which That even makes it look nice. So, just color it in the flower. There we go, like that. And then I am going to put a thing on here. I should have put happy birthday on there. I made this a birthday card. Today is my birthday. Let's put it to the paper first. There we go. Then we'll, I think I need another dot because it's not sticking. I should have used my pick tool in the first place. There. Yay! Yay, it's all on there and it looks really nice. Okay. And I think I'm gonna pop this up too. So, you know, you still have two sides. If you don't like a lot of the gold, then you still can use the opposite side of these, which is wonderful. And here we go. And that is it. And that's the card. That's my Friday card. What do y'all think? I mean, I didn't use the bow. I was thinking I could, but I think it looks just good with just this little tiny flower. And I'll bring it up close. Can you see? I don't know if it's bringing in there's like this glittery stuff on that paper. This paper is just stunning. So, and it's already got embossed paper. And there's so many things with just these leaves alone that you can do on other projects. So I'm really excited about this. Okay, so that's everything, guys. And like I said, if you'd like to shop with me, use this hostess code. Give me the thumbs up, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Click the button in the right-hand corner, and you will subscribe, and you won't miss any more of my videos. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.